Makosikoza voted, she stood up to you. And you said there must be a witch hunt against her. You said those people must be prosecuted. The question is actually quite simple, Mr. President. What grounds did Grace Mugabe get diplomatic immunity for? On what basis? It's as simple as that. She came here, she beat up a young South African woman, and we want to know why the South African government allowed her to leave under the guise of diplomatic immunity. That's all.
Honorable President.
Thank you, Deputy Speaker. I am told that the DA's constitution is clear that if a member of DA votes against the DA, is automatically out of the party. So you can't comment on the matter what the ANC is doing. That's what I'm told. That you don't even do the witch hunt. Once they vote, they are out. So that one, with regard to Mrs. Mugabe, now I'm not a lawyer. I don't know the points of law. And I was not involved in this process. How it has been done, I would be lying if I speculate. What were the facts that were put? Because I was not in that department dealing with that matter. So I'm not going to give you an answer that is not there. Thank you, Deputy Speaker.
Honorable Tlowama.
Honorable President, Honorable Deputy Speaker. Honorable President, I think we must admit that truth and honesty has long departed your administration. Why can't you admit that you are afraid of Robert Mugabe? Therefore, his wife can beat anyone, even in South Africa. The least said about Mududizina Manana, the better. Honorable President, why are we paying you? Because it seems you have opened our country to be abused. When are you going to start leading, Honorable President?
Honorable President.
Thank you, Deputy Speaker. Firstly, I've not opened a country to any abuse. If somebody, part of the reason why we have the laws in the country is that when somebody commits a crime here, there are law enforcement entities that deal with that. And insofar as the matter we are referring to, the police were very active, were very involved, dealing with that matter. What I'm not saying, I'm not a lawyer. I don't know what happened and how the matter at the end came to a point that it came to a point where it came. So, so all I'm saying, the actions were taken, the police were there, they dealt with the matter. Then the issue of diplomatic conditions came about, and the actions were taken. All I'm saying, I can't answer that detail, not being aware what actually happened. I can't lie. Why do you say the truth has run away? Because I'm telling the truth. What's your problem? You know, if for an example you did not want to come to parliament, to politics, if we are interested in it, would have gone to the police station where the case was put, you would have the facts. But you just want to politic. You want me to talk, you want me to discuss the matters, the details of which I don't know. Thank you, Deputy.